Welcome to the morning shift. Keep the line moving. Gate 2, you are clear to proceed.
Bring the next one into lane 3, watch your clearance.
Keep it coming, keep it coming. Start on the far side, move those crates now.
The flow on line 3 is slowing down.
Yeah, it looks like the sorter is adjusting for size. It should clear up.
The sugar content is 12.5 bricks. Recorded. Excellent results.
We're at full capacity now. Keep an eye on the pressure. The gauges look good. Everything is flowing smoothly.
All parameters are within the acceptable range.
Excellent. We can approve this batch for bottling.
The steam is clearing, pressure stabilized.
Looks good. Cooling is complete. Ready for the next stage.
Check the rejection rate for the last hour. It spiked briefly, but it's stabilizing now.
Trailer 42 is ready for seal. Manifest confirms 20 pallets of watermelon juice. Clear for departure.
Breaker 19, this is the watermelon convoy lead. How's the formation looking back there?
Looking good up here, boss. And this sunset is something else.
Make sure the refrigerated section is fully stocked by 10. We want the display perfect for the morning rush.
This looks really refreshing, honey. The label says it's all natural.
Yeah.
The kids will love this. Let's take 3 bottles.
Wow, this is so good.
It tastes like summer.
We should get this again tomorrow.